All right. Hello, everyone. So, no one's here. I'm alone in the darkness. I'm alone in the darkness here, sitting, waiting for everyone to connect. These are the initial minutes of a live stream on YouTube. So, it looks like someone is joining in. All right, let's see here. Hey, everyone. All right, so as we get more viewers, this is gonna be great. So, let's see here. Let us wait just a bit. For those of you watching this replay, you can definitely skip forward just a bit so that you don't see this useful, actually useless recording right now because I'm just waiting for people to get in. So, let's see here. Let's wait for there to be approximately 10 people to start. All right, so. All right, nice little pump right here. This was insane. All right, so I think I can start. We have 5 people in here, so say hello on the live chat and let me know if you have any questions about the Pearl so that we can explore it a little bit further. So let's check out what the hell happened right here. We had gone through a huge pump. As you can see, obviously you're here just because of that probably. And the Pearl has generated quite some drama over the past few days. Let's have a look at what I mean. So, as you can see, it went all the way from 29 cents down to 3.7 cents. That's incredible, right? This is almost a 8x fall down, right? Like maybe a little bit less, but definitely a huge steep fall. And this is why, guys, this is why I was creating this video that was talking about the Pearl approximately 1 week ago, guys. This was created on June the 6th. So I told you guys, alarm, alarm, the Pearl was gonna blow. And I was explaining for 5 minutes how it will blow up and why. So if you want to check it out, you can have a look at this video right here. It had 234 views. Unfortunately, not enough of people got warned about this potential explosion, which is really sad, but it's okay. You know what? I'm okay with that. I tried to warn you guys. I actually released this video as soon as I seen the opportunity. And I think this video, if we go back in time, it looks like it was, let me see here. So on the June the 6th, it was right here. right before the pump. So it was right on this day when I created this video. It just blew the hell up on the next day, and then people sold off, and it's currently reblowing. So it's definitely following its incredibly bullish run since its breakout right here at the 3.7 cent mark. So this is definitely something that was easy to predict. And guys, if you want more predictions, if you are new to this crypto intel channel, well, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you will be always up to date with every little update that I do about, of course, the Pearl, which is the Purlin, and any other crypto assets that I come across. So right here, let's just try to analyze what the hell happened. So first of all, we had this huge steep descent. Actually, if you trace whatever happened here, it went something like this, and it had this breakout until I made the video right here, and it pumped 2 days after the video. So this is a good thing, and these breakouts are actually very positive for such huge slumps, because a lot of traders get very depressed when this happens. Actually, let me just switch over to the trading view. This is much better because we have the volumes here and we have a few other tools. So let's see here. As you can see, this is the 3.6 cent mark, and then all the way from the 3.6 mark, it went bullish like crazy, and it never stopped. And guys, I told you that this is probably gonna blow up by like 4.8x, and it will be probably miming its previous pump. So let me just roll back to quite a few. Yeah, there you go. So I'm thinking that it will probably reach these points right here. So we're talking about 15 cent. So if you entered the crypto asset when I was talking to you before it was pumping, it was right around here. So you would have made that 400%, so 487%, even more. Probably actually it's going to be stabilizing in the very near future. I told you guys that it will take 3 to 4 months approximately to hit this rate, and it has already begun. So it's pumping, guys. So it's probably going to test its previous support level right here that it has nailed itself at approximately 11 cents right here. Let me see here. Okay, so we got 11 concurrent users. All right. Should we buy? No, SC, do not touch. Do not touch it right now, SC. You will be, if you're gonna buy it, oh my god, you're gonna come back to this channel and you're gonna blast me. There's no way I'm letting you touch it right now. Let me tell you why. Let me explain to you why I believe this is so. So look, it's currently going through a mega pump. Look at this. It lived a pump right here, and then it went all the way through the 80%. Just like I explained in many of my videos. SC, you better watch those videos before I do something to you in the dark, man. You better watch it. All right, so check it out. You're currently again going through this pump, and it's gonna probably do the same thing approximately. So this is normal behavior for these types of crypto assets. Look, we're at the hourly pump, and by the way, there's so many factors to to consider right here. Number one, $44 million today. So this is a $44 million pump right here that we see. 200 million, actually 220 million units traded just right here, okay, for the past hour. SC, wrap your head around this. 220 million Purlins were traded in the past hour. Okay, so this is definitely not the time to get in here. It's overheated. Okay, it's overheated. So it's definitely going to test its multi-pumps at the top for a resistance level right here. And I'm going to show you what I mean in just a second. So let me just go back here and see how many people are watching. So SC, you better not touch your wallet on your exchange. Do not enter the current position because you're going to regret it a lot. So look, if we zoom in, as you can see, there's already multiple pipes forming. So we have here 3 pipes, and then at the top we have 5 pipes. This is definitely bad. So I would absolutely avoid it right now because it will be losing its strength. So it's trying to test itself at the resistance level at the top. As you can see, the resistance level is approximately 110. So let's say it's like, 10 cents or like 1.1 cents, right? Sorry, 11 cents, right? So it's testing itself for the 11 cents, but if it's going to touch it again and it's going to fall, forget about it. You do not touch it. This is very important. Look at it. It's trying itself, and it's definitely positive, although people are still trading it on a downfall. You can see it right here. You got the fight going on between the traders, and there's a lot of volume. So thing is, like, this token right here is super volatile. Look at the price disparities here. It's ridiculous. Like, all of these decimals, they cause disparity and thus volatility. What I mean is, look, you don't have 3.9 and then 4.0. You have straight away 4.1. So the disparity is rather big. It can fall down. Look at how fast it can fall down. Disparity here is like 20 units. So this is the problem. I'm not saying it's gonna dump right now. It will definitely probably test a little bit more. But if I'm looking at candlesticks of like, 15 minutes right here, well, look, there has been already 3 15-minute candlesticks where it has been testing on a low. So tested up, tested lower, tested even lower. So unfortunately, it looks like this pump is gonna go down. Now, down until where? You see already this triangle right here. Until what? Yeah. Oof, that is like, is that? Let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, wow. So it went all the way down to 9.6 cents. So you see, like, this is rather dangerous because if you get in now, you will lose 40% of your money. Like, this is, sorry, not 40, 4% of your money. It will drop all the way from here to here. You will lose 4%. So be very, very careful, SC. Hopefully that answers your question. Let's see here. Thumbnail on this video is about Shiba. Oh, crap. Oh, my God. Let me just edit it real quick. So edit this. Oh, my God. Thank you so much. I actually thought that I changed it. Oh, my God. All right, so let's see here. I created it. Oh my God, this is why it is not currently okay. Oh my God, SK, you rock. I appreciate that. Sorry about this. So maybe some people will actually come in because I had the thumbnail on Shiba Inu. Instead, it's PERL. Oh my God, what a beautiful fail. I will definitely put this in my checklist. This is what you have, when you're starting a crypto channel and it's only 11 days old. There you go. So yeah, concurrent viewers are coming back in, and yeah, there you go. People are starting to come back in, so now it's relevant and YouTube is serving the right thumbnail. So again, thank you so much, SK. You rock. Thumbs up. I really appreciate that. So let's have a look at the Purlin. So Purlin X is what it's called. Let's see here. Currently, it's really being very disruptive. People are definitely trying to scrape the top. Although I think what's gonna happen is right here. You got tons and tons of traders trapped. Look at this. My God, this represents probably easily 3,000 people. At least 3,000, if not 10,000 people. And there has been so many transactions here. Look at this. The transactions are, so this is 25 million. So we're looking right here at approximately, $150 million in transactions. So that is a lot of people, considering the fact that the average person maybe has like $1,000 worth of this token, like approximately, guys, approximately. So look at this. There has been so many pipes testing the resistance level at the top. This is really bad for the Purlin. It's probably gonna slump again. But the more it tests, if it tests like for a longer period, then it might break out to the next level. But if it keeps stable, so it needs to be really stable right here for a longer period of time. Like, it needs to be stable for approximately what, like 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. If it's stable at that price range, yes, then it's time to buy. Like if you see this type of triangle forming, yes, it's time to buy, absolutely. But if it forms a triangle like this, forget about it. It's time to sell. So give it approximately, an hour to see how it's gonna fare. Because right now it's looking like it's weakening. Like you can see that the pump is first like this, and then it's starting to be more slanted. So there's definitely a loss of energy, a loss of inertia going on for the Pearl X. So let's see where that's gonna bring us. By the way, by the way, if you guys have any questions regarding, okay, will hot pump SC, I cannot really go into other crypto assets for now, simply because people are, watching this for the Pearl. And by the way, the hot, we're gonna check it out in a separate video. I'm promising you, SC. So for now, let's just focus on this one right here. So as we can see, there's definitely a bull run going on in the past approximately 30 minutes. So I'm on the minute candlestick, and you can clearly see that, it's very bullish. Although after the run, there has been this huge disparity right here, and then this breath of hope, and then it died off, and then it's kind of rebreathing itself back to hope. Now, if it's gonna pump, it might redump right approximately to this level right here. So if this keeps on going for approximately like an hour and a half, definitely this is a sign to get in, because it might repump to a black swan event where it might be pumping up. So for now, it's too dangerous to invest, because there has been 3 candlesticks at the top that have not made it through the previous resistance. So definitely you still gotta wait and wait. So let's see here. We got 13 people waiting and looking at this live stream. And by the way, guys, if you have any questions, shoot them down below. And okay, fine. Well, no one is asking any questions. What I will do is I will actually answer SC about the hot. So let's have a look at the hot. All right. All right, let's have a look. So the holo, let's see here. It did go through this. This doesn't look. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this profile looks great, but I would be careful. SC, if I was you, check this out. It was here not too long ago. So it did go through a cycle. You can clearly see the cycles are approximately like this, right? So it just went through another cycle. I would be careful. I would definitely exercise a lot of caution right here. But the beauty is that there was 3 sell cycles, so there might potentially be a new buy cycle. So yes, exercise caution. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm a crypto enthusiast. I trade since 2017. I have 4 years of experience trading. So basically for this one, I would definitely exercise caution, but with a little bit of optimism, simply because there was over here 3 sell pumps, and you can see here 3 sell pumps gave it a small jump right here, and then again 3 sell pumps gave it another jump right here. So 3 sell pumps, well, you do the math, maybe it will be a small gain. So definitely the holo is a token that is up for grabs right now. So hopefully that answers your question. Let's see. Please do a price prediction for the scale if you have a chance. What's your suggestion on long-term coins? Right now, Kia, I did a lot of videos on that. I think the TWT Kia is a great one, and also the Venus XVS. Check it out. So TWT Venus. Let me see when the Pearl is actually gonna fall, and it will, from this huge mega pump. Because check it out. Let me go back to the Pearl. Let's see here. So Pearl, there you go. So check it out. This is definitely a pump if you see it on a weekly basis. And yes, it might keep on pumping, as I said in my previous video that you can check out right here. I posted it. It's alarm! Pearl X is gonna pump! And it did twice, guys. I warned you guys. And it is doing it. So you better give me some preps. All right, so check it out. This is the resistance level, right? And this was the price agreement for quite a while, for like 9 weeks. It was super stable. So this is the price it's probably going to be looking for with this pump. So guys, again, I'm telling you, it will probably dump, but then it will be on a discount so that you can purchase it again, so that you can reach that level at approximately the 15-cent mark. So that will be a nice little gain for you. Definitely a nice little gain. I think it's a 50% gain, right? From 10 to 100, 10 to 15. It's a something like that. Huge gain, huge gain. So let's see here. So 14 people watching. So hopefully I answered that thumbnail. Okay. So let's see. I answered you. Okay. Kia, I also answered you. So Kia, again, the XVS. So this is the Venus. Also Raven coin. Check out the Raven coin. I think it's RVN, if my memory is correct. I've also posted a few other ones that might be pumping. So check out my YouTube channel to be sure to not miss out. All right, let's see. So do a price prediction for scale if you have a chance. So because there's no questions right now for the Pearl, I will definitely do a price prediction for the scale right now, a micro price prediction for you, Mr. Almost Invisible. So what the hell does it even mean to be almost invisible? It's either invisible, either you're not. Like what is your RGB or whatever? What is it called? Like that scale, the grayscale, whatever. So let me see here. Jesus. Scale. All right. Oh my God, it's not here. Wait. What is it? So the scale. Jesus Christ. Scale token. Symbol. All right. So SKL. All right. So let's check out the SKL. All right. So, oh my God. Holy shit. Whew. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is a beautiful profile for a soon-to-be pump. Definitely, but I would exercise caution because look, the third volume for the sales is a little bit lower than the two previous ones. Look here, it took him to be almost precisely the same, the same size to get into a buying cycle. So you would need to wait for it to fall a little bit more before you make a move. Okay, this is my answer, and definitely it is going to probably pump in the following days. Let me just do a quick zoom out yet again. Look, so the general downtrend is this. This is the resistance level. So definitely it's about to have a breakout because it is probably going to be bathing here on its previous support levels. So once it hits that support level, or approximately that support level, it will probably break out to its previous resistance levels, which is approximately like 42, 40, maybe even 45. So definitely that's a really good spot. That's a really good spot. Thank you so much for spotting it. Let me see who spotted it. Yeah, Almost Invisible. Thank you so much for your spot, Almost Invisible. By the way, I see that you benefited from the LTO analysis. Well, you better hit that Patreon subscriber button in that case. If no, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop creating these videos for you, Almost Invisible. I need some support, bro. All right. So let's see. Hopefully that. Oh, Didi, thank you so much for helping me out with the scale. Let's see. So trying to be invisible. Yeah. Well, you're not really succeeding, are you? Because I clearly see you here. So let's see. What will the BTC retest right now? I have no freaking clue. It is so volatile, guys. The BTC, anything that Musk tells, it happens. He hearts the BTC, it explodes like crazy, and that is insane. And it's better not to even think about the BTC right now. Just trade with the USDT. That is the best way. So let's see. Yeah, it wasn't too long, huh, Dave? Because a Patreoner, actually, I think it was John, he tipped me off about the Pearl, and it was pumping just like I was predicting it right here. Check it out. So 1 week ago, I told you guys it was gonna pump. Alarm, alarm, and boom, you got your pump right here with the Pearl. and it's going through a phase. So let me see. All right. Okay, so this is the Pearl. So as you can see, it's going through this pump right now. Although I'm telling you guys, be very careful. It is currently on a down slump, just like the Shiba Inu was when I was doing the live. So it's kind of, understanding that it's not having a chance right now. So it's probably going to be on a breakout downfall, unfortunately. So for those who, generated some green profit from the pump, be sure to make a sale. That way you'll be able to catch it down low at approximately, this level right here, at the 8.1 cents. So look, oh my God, it's dumping like there's no tomorrow. Crap. This hurts to see. It hurts my eyes. Poor people stuck, because unfortunately 90% of you guys don't move too quickly. You get stuck right here and you hope that it bounces back. It might, but unfortunately it looks like the bears have taken over. So let's see here what is going on. All right, so I see a bunch of questions here. So Xen Finance is not listed on BNB, and it will be soon. What do you think of new coins? So Zahid, definitely when there's new listings coming up, all of this, it generates tons of buzz. And a lot of people come in to get their own position in on these new crypto assets. So definitely it's worth, being first in the herd before it actually gets a pump. So I don't know the current price of it, and I'm not going to check it out right now. So my biggest flaw is being greedy and missing out. Yep. Dave, be careful with that. Like pumps are almost always going to be dumps. If you have like 20 or 30%, just let go and go into another crypto asset and there generate your nice little pump. All right, so BTC is dumping. So this is interesting. Sensei, Harmony looks sluggish. What do you think? Let's check it out, okay? Because you guys don't have any questions about the Pearl. Let's check out the Harmony. Ouch. By the way, look at what's happening with the Pearl. It's still, going downwards. And it's probably going to go a lot more on the downtrend in the coming minutes. Unless people see it as a discount, it's going to bump just a bit, but then it's going to refall, unfortunately. So let's look at the Harmony. So can someone tell me what was Harmony's ticker? So Harmony symbol. Let's see here. Harmony. There's so many that I cannot remember them all. So 1. So it's called a 1. All right. So the Sensei is gonna check it out with you guys live. Okay. Yep, absolutely. So don't touch it. do not touch it. It's straight dab in the middle of a price agreement, guys. This is the most dangerous point for a trader's point of view. So I would definitely not touch it, even though this dump is slowing down. I would not, touch it, because there's way too much space for it to keep on falling. Even though it went through these cycles here, it's definitely a very, very dangerous moment to make a move on the Harmony right now. I would definitely not touch it. So hopefully this answers your question. Thanks, Akshat. It came in a little bit too late. It's okay, I found it. So let's see here. All right, so let's have a look again at the Pearl. So the Pearl. All right. All right, so let's see here. It's currently definitely on a down slump, unfortunately. And it's not retesting itself at the previous levels. So we are looking at the third 30-minute red candlestick. This is definitely not looking good for the Pearlers out there. If anyone's holding the Pearl right now, just let it go, guys, because you're going to regret it. It's going to fall up until here or even, further, but it's going to take a few hours. We're looking at maybe 3 to 4 hours for it to land to, back to approximately the 8-cent position. So be super duper careful. Now, I'm not saying it's going to dump indefinitely. If it's going to dump, it's going to repump if it's super bullish right now. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. Be careful with that. Always check out what other people think and make your own decisions. That is super important. All right, so that being said, let's have a look if anyone has any questions. Check out the RLC down by 75, but I think actually, Akshat, the RLC has pumped today for like 20%. It had a great day on Binance. If you check it out, it's one of the best performing coins slash tokens slash assets. Check it out. So RLC, where is it? If we check out the change for the volume, check it out. RLC 14%. So it's getting to a comeback. So as you can see, it is going really well for the past 3 days. You know, it's in a path back to getting back on track. So take a look at your other recommendations. Burger, vitamin. I already cashed out on Pearl. Yeah, John. Yeah. Good job, John. I'm so glad. By the way, John is one of our Patreoners. So he has some insight that others do not. If you want to support me on Patreon, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because that way I will be available via instant messenger over there. Not always, because I do have a live, guys. But as soon as I have some time, as soon as possible, I'm trying to reply to everyone on Patreon. So if you're not already subscribed to the Crypto Intel, be sure that you are, because I am doing tons of Crypto Intel reviews regarding tons of different crypto assets, guys. So let's pick up a few more questions here. So about the T-Fuel, guys, I told you already about the T-Fuel. It's not looking well. As in my predictions, I told you guys it might hit the 60. Let me see here. What the hell am I doing? Let me go back to the Fiat USDT and then the T-Fuel. All right. I'm having butterfingers here. Oh my god. Yeah. It's dropping back again. Just like I said, I warned you like 5 times already. I'm sick and tired of warning you guys with this T-Fuel. There's so many proponents of the T-Fuel. Jesus. Oh my god. It's so difficult to do videos with them. Look at this. If you can't recognize a pump, I don't know what to do with you guys. And it's probably gonna, fall again until 40 cents, unfortunately. People are overhyped, and there's too many people trying to get back their profits. Okay, this is what I have to say about the T-Fuel in this live stream. Okay, the XVS. Let me check out the XVS for you real quick. I'm gonna answer as many fans because I love you guys. I love you all. So the Venus. So I told you guys already 2 videos yesterday, I think, I've created about the Venus, that it's gonna pump like crazy. So get your money in there. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. My opinion is that you should get your money in there. Okay? Do have your own opinion. So this thing's gonna pump like crazy very soon. I got my money in the Venus, guys. So that you know, this is disclosed. So do you feel like the Reef finance has a lot of potential? I'm not a financial advisor. All right. So the Reef. Let's check out the Reef. Again, guys, the Venus. I'm not going to repeat myself many times. The Venus is definitely going to blow. The Reef. So you see, it's super stable. Yes, it's probably going to cycle itself back up. It will take some time. It will take like maybe 4 or 5 days. And it will definitely hit back that, 30, 40 mark. So you got to be patient with the Reef. Absolutely patient with the Reef. Let's see here. XBX. Yeah, yep. That's true. Stop repeating everything I say, Dr. Ash. I'm tired of that. All right, so what do I think about the MDT? Let's have a look at the MDT real quick. All right, and guys, if you want my opinion live, almost live, hit me up on Patreon. I would be so happy to have you in my Patreoners, because I already have 8 people in there. 8 very lovable people. I really appreciate them, and I would definitely love to appreciate you. All right, so the MDT, well, right now, today is not a good time because it already pumped. So I would wait for it to kind of jump back to the, let me put my finger here. So approximately, let it hit like 32. And at the 32 level, definitely I would try to buy it back. That will be a good moment for me to get in. Because if I tell you to get in right now, guys, what you're going to do is that you're going to buy and then you're going to tell me like, oh no, it lost its value, and then it's going to pump like crazy. So I do not want you to do that in the comments. All right, guys, I think this is enough because we don't have enough questions regarding the Pearl. So I'm going to go back to the Pearl and see how it's faring. Let's see here. Okay, so it's still kind of hanging there in its balance. But as you can see, when you have these multi-pumps right here forming at the top, it's a very bad sign. Normally it means that it will drop and it might actually sustain its value, but if it does, like, you gotta watch out for this type of of a bullish ride. So we're looking at this ride to be bullish, then it's time to invest. And if it's like this, then forget about it. It's just gonna drop. When you're gonna wake up, it's probably gonna be like somewhere here. This is if it's bearish, guys. But if it does have, this bullish triangle forming in the next, 6 hours, 8 hours, then consider putting your money back into it. But be very careful. Again, a second pump means a very, very steep downfall. So be careful. Put your sell limits. All right, guys. So I think this would be all. What about Dogecoin? Okay, I'm gonna reply. Let's see. Let's see here. Super KSA is asking about the Dogecoin. Okay, let me quickly answer him because I love my community. So the Doge. Let me see here. Guys, I want to do 10 videos today. I cannot reply so quickly to all of these questions. All right, so yeah, the Dogecoin. This is the Doge. Nope. Absolutely. I'm not touching it because it's too risky. Even if it's gonna blow, it's still too risky. Look at this. It's straight dab in the middle of its pricing. You cannot do that. It's definitely too risky. Look, there's way too much green weight right here. So it's too risky to get in. I'm sorry about that. This is my opinion. If it bumps, sorry about that. But this is my opinion. It's too risky. I would not put my money. I would put it in the XBS, in the Raven coin, in the TWT, or something else. All right, so let me see here. John, Mark, these are yet to pump. When do you think for the burger bite, etc.? Still, I think it will happen soon. Or can you reply on Patreon? Yeah, I'll definitely reply on Patreon, John. Let me get back to you. Yep, I will do videos because lives like this are not too productive. All right, guys. So if you want me to do lives for specific coin, just let me know in the comments. I would definitely want to hear about that. All right, so if you haven't subscribed already and you're listening in, well, hit that subscribe button. And until then, see you all in the next live stream. Live stream. What? Amish is asking, can we short or long? Oh my God. Don't do anything right now. If you're asking about the Pearl, do not do anything right now. Just wait for it to fall and then make your decision. Until then, we need to see cycles. Cycles! All right, thanks everyone. Yes, I will do a live Matic, but tomorrow, guys, not today. I'm definitely needing to do tons of videos for you. All right, see you all in the next stream. See ya. Cheers.